We've just acquired this absolutely outstanding, fantastic condition Volvo XC90. It's in like a very light silvery blue colour. It really is one of the best I've seen for this age and mileage for some time. It's a 7-seater. Lovely R design specification. Twin opening rear tailgate, D5 all-wheel drive, 7 seats, they do lie back to give you extra space. You have got the tow bar and the keys as well. R design interior, impeccable. Started to rain. You've got electric memory seats. It's got the satellite navigation as well. Remotes there for satellite navigation. You can do it off the steering wheel. Some 114,223 miles. There's your satellite coming up. Just press enter. The map's there. Folding mirrors, fully automatic, cruise control, DJH or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.